Welcome back to another cooking adventure on Adventure That Rocks. Remember, we are going through every single recipe in the Carefree Keto Cookbook. Today, it gives us a taste of McDonald's with the Big Mac salad. This is probably going to be one of our fastest cooking videos because there's not a lot of actual cooking involved. It's basically throwing all the ingredients together. This is a half pound of hamburger meat. They just brown it up, which we've already got done because you guys didn't need to see me going from start to finish on browning hamburger meat, did you? Or beef. Have you guys ever heard of the paper towel method? Where you stick a paper towel in to drain that grease? Does that really work? Because we go with the old faithful, the strainer method. The recipe does not call for this. However, I know Sandy, she likes to kick it up a notch of flavor. So we're gonna add some garlic butter herb seasoning to that hamburger meat. And I'm not gonna stop there. I'm gonna go with some Paula Deen house seasoning. It looks like the next time we're in the Pigeon Forge area, we need to get some more of this. All right. Just gonna mix that up a little and go on to our next step. Recipe calls for 2 cups of romaine lettuce. I already got that prepared. You know what's next. We're gonna drop that hamburger meat in. Next up, a 1/4 cup of onions. I may have done it a little heavy on the onions. I like onions. Sandy's not a fan of onions. She's already sticking her tongue out like, yeah. But you know, on Big Macs, they have onions on Big Macs.
I'm sorry.
Half a cup of...
You put more onions than cheese in that?
I don't think so. That's only like a 1/4 cup. I didn't even use the whole thing. Like, that's a lot of cheese. Would you like more cheese? Sandy wants more cheese. I'll be right back. Alright, so we went with half a cup of cheese, cheddar cheese. Sandy's not happy with that. So look at this, Sandy. She's gonna tell me when we're good and done with the cheese.
Oh, just dump the whole bag in there.
I'm not dumping the whole bag.
Okay, then never mind. We're good.
Okay.
As long as there's more cheese than onion, please.
I'm sure that's the case. It doesn't say to do this, but I am going to go ahead and mix up the ingredients right now. Now, they do give instructions on how to make your own sauce for this. Now, everybody, I think, knows if you got a Big Mac, that secret sauce really is Thousand Island dressing.
Is it?
I'm pretty sure it is. I learned that on Fast Times at Ridgemont High. We have our Thousand Island dressing. Add some of that in there. Mix that up, and then we know what time it is. It's taste test time.
Oh, that's me.
That is. And Sandy was not looking forward to this salad. So we can't wait to see what she thinks of this. Here we go.
Big Mac salad.
Does it taste like a Big Mac, Sandy?
Wow. Yeah.
Sandy, I'm telling you guys, when Sandy first previewed this recipe, she was like, are we really cooking this?
Yeah. I'm like,
Do we really have to go
order?
page by page?
Yeah. Can't we just go through and pick our favorite recipes? But you know what I have to admit?
What's that?
The onion in this makes it taste like a Big Mac.
Wow!
Yeah.
Who would have thought?
Yeah. Wow.
All right, another pass on this cooking adventure that rocks. Our final thoughts on the Big Mac salad.
It tasted like a Big Mac.
It did.
I think it was the onions.
That's true.
Honestly.
Would you have it again?
I would.
See, for me, I enjoyed my first like 5 bites. I'm like, wow, this does
That
taste like a
first
Big
bite was the best.
And then, it got cold really fast. At least to me it did. It didn't make much sense. But yeah, I was thinking as I was eating the rest of it after my 5 bites, I'm like, I don't know if I'd make this again.
Well,
Maybe
we have a whole cookbook before we need to.
All right, so that's our final thought. Sandy, yes, make again.
Yeah.
I'm on the fence about making it again. And if you have any recipes to share that you would like to see me attempt, please send them our way. Be sure to make each and every day, including some of those cooking highlights. I don't know where I was going with that.
I don't know where you were either.
An adventure that rocks. See you real soon. You never know what's going to happen on this channel.